Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y35 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the lock screen and wallpaper. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on the wallpaper section here, and as you can see here we've got some albums, some sections from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from static wallpapers, and those are currently and defaultly installed on this device. As you can see here we've got some options to choose from. Here we've got also live wallpapers, which simply means that those are animated ones. And after getting back to the static wallpapers, you can see that here we've got download more or local images. Local images are basically your own gallery, so of course you can set your own photo as a wallpaper, or you can download some of them. As you can see, the new section will appear and you will be able to see all downloaded wallpapers right here. So let me pick something from downloaded, for example. Let me download the wallpaper, and as you can see here we will be transferred to this section of the wallpapers. You can also pick, we can tap on it and open more options, of course, if you want to, but you can change also fonts, themes, and so on. But let me pick something from those highlighted options because they're really pretty, and I'm worried that if I will enter the wallpapers, I will lost in those beautiful pictures. So if you want to pick the particular wallpaper in order to check the preview of it, simply tap on it. And as you can see here we've got the wallpaper applied to the full screen. Here we've got the switcher, which will allow us to change the position of the photo, kind of, and we can change the particular wallpapers just by swiping. You can tap on preview, of course, and this is how it will look like applied. Okay, all right. And if you're happy with your choice, just tap on download, and as you can see it will be downloaded. And now let's tap on apply. Here you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both, or you can crop the wallpaper if you want to. I will set it as both, and as you can see the wallpaper has been applied successfully, so you can go back and check. And as you can see, the wallpaper is right now on the home page. Let's check the lock screen also, because we've also applied it to the lock screen. And I forgot that we don't have the lock screen here, but trust me, the wallpaper will be also applied on the lock screen. So basically that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your VIVO Y35. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.